Alright guys, welcome back to another video to the Ghost Flash channel. Today's video, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see behind me, there is a BMW. Yeah guys, right? A BMW in my garage is crazy. But guess whose BMW it is, ladies and gentlemen?
We may have made some bad decisions, but...
Tell them how you got this BMW.
Oh my gosh. So the 4Runner, I just straight traded it.
4Runner's now gone, guys.
Yeah, the 4Runner's gone. The off-road thing is not for me. I done broke the rear of the frame and had a brake line severed. It was not fun.
Insert picture on screen.
Yeah, fuck. Now we're here.
So yeah, now he's got a BMW. It's got welded diff. It's got a hydro. It's got a short shifter, steering wheel. It's got buckets. It's locking headliner, but we'll get that squared away pretty soon with some starlights, so we'll stay tuned for that. Door card's coming soon. But today,
oh, it's all over there now.
yeah, so we're doing what, headlights?
So we're doing some eagle eyes headlights with new fog light. Oh my god. With adding fog lights.
Yeah, adding fog lights.
And then we're doing some tie rod ends from Garagistics, which are spherical instead of the regular bushing. I believe they're listed as bumps here. And we're doing inner tie rods because nobody ever does those, and they probably need to be done on this.
Facts. And she got a little K&N intake.
Don't look at that. Got this car and it literally just had the PCV hose on a vent, so I don't know if you guys know what you would do with this, but I read online point it to the ground. I don't know, man.
If that's just gonna dump oil, because I see that's probably, I mean, this is gonna be, that's why they say dump it to the ground. We could just run it to an oil catch can, and then you just have to change out the catch can.
But the issue is I have one port on this manifold.
Well, obviously it's not gonna matter if you're just gonna dump it to nothing.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
If you're gonna dump it to nothing, why not dump it to where at least we'll drain into something?
You're so smart.
Yeah.
Chat, we're on to something here.
But yeah, we're getting the suspension done. Also, first time or second time using the lift with the new lights that are installed. It looks so good on camera. So good on camera. Yeah, we're getting the suspension changed out. We gotta get this fixed. We added this last time, but the tie rod is goofed. That's why we're doing tie rods, because
oh, the tie rod's in here. Mission Impossible.
Yeah, it's still loose, and so that's gotta get changed. But yeah, we got the yellow fog lights going in. These are all the in and out of tie rod stuff right here. Headlights are right here. So yeah, we're gonna get after it. Probably the easiest way to do the fog lights, I think.
Hopefully I still have the wires.
Since it's a BMW, you're probably gonna have to take off the bumper. Yeah, so we'll come back to you guys in a second. So for the headlights, to get the headlight out, you gotta pull the corner marker out first. There's gonna be a little, I need a flashlight. So there's gonna be a little clip right there, a little white clip. You're gonna need to go ahead and basically get a flathead, go down there. And when you want to pry it like that. So basically push it that way, and then the corner marker, as you're doing that, pull it and it should pop right out. You'll have these 3 8mm bolts right here. You'll have one 8mm bolt down under here, right there, that you can't see. It's not focusing, but it's right there under this little cover. And there'll be one other one somewhere down right in there, if you can even see that. But there's another one down here in that same hole where the clip is. And then the headlights should come right out. So we got the headlights out, and if you guys are wondering where those bolts were, so there's the 3 that were up here minus the one that's missing on Mo's car. Then there's the one that's down here that I was telling you that was down in this area, and the one that's down here that was down in that area. Now you guys can visually see those, but these are Mo's old headlights. They are officially now out. Turns out that he also had some LEDs already installed in here, so it's kind of nice. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the new ones out of the box and then get them mounted into the bumper, or into the car, not the bumper. So for those of you wondering, so we found out when we pulled out the headlights that the halos have to be wired. So the actual headlights are plug and play, but the halos need to be wired. So I wanted to wire them to the DRL so they go on obviously with the DRLs. So if you come to the corner light, on the passenger side corner light, the brown one will be the ground. And on his harness, he has a blue and an orange, and then a yellow and a gray. On the passenger side, the yellow and the gray is the positive wire you want to tap into. The blue one on this side is the turn signal one. And then if you come to this side, you got the brown, which will be the ground as well. The green on this side with the blue will be the turn signal, and then the purple and the gray will be the power 12 volt that you'll be splicing into. And that's gonna wrap it up on today's video on the BMW. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about Mo's E36, and if you guys want to see more content on the E36 and what type of content you guys want to see. And welcome the E36 to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Other than that, like, comment, and subscribe, and catch you guys in the next Go Slash video.